First, we import useEffect from React. We'll use useEffect to manage side effects in our functional component. Here, we declare our functional component called myComponent. Inside this component, we're going to manage a data subscription. Next, we set up our useEffect hook. This hook will allow us to perform side effects in the component. Inside the useEffect, we're subscribing to a data source using a fictional data fetcher library. We store the subscription object in a constant. We then subscribe to data events using the on method on our subscription object, providing a callback function called handleData that will handle these events when they occur. Now, it's important to clean up our subscription to prevent memory leaks when our component unmounts. So, we define a cleanup function that will be returned by the useEffect. Inside the cleanup function, we unsubscribe from the data events using the off method. This will stop our component from continuing to listen to data updates after it has unmounted. We close off the cleanup function here. This cleanup function will be automatically called by React when my component is unmounted from the DOM. We provide an empty dependency array to the useEffect hook, making sure our subscription and cleanup logic only runs once, when the component mounts and unmounts, respectively. Now let's take a look at the handleData function. This function will be called every time our subscription receives new data. Currently, the handleData function simply logs the received data to the console. In a real application, you would likely set this data to the component's state or perform some other action. That concludes the handleData function definition. Remember, this function is crucial as the callback for our data events. Lastly, inside the return statement of our functional component, we would place our JSX code. This is where the UI of my component is defined and where the fetched data would typically be rendered. Finally, we export the myComponent function, making it available for use in other parts of our application.